YouTube. Tapos i-upload mo sa YouTube.
What do you call family
The cheating group.
marital pairs living with their offspring in a separate dwelling? It is a familial form that consists of the marital pair living with their offspring in a separate dwelling. It's a familial form. Familial form.
Yung report niya.
Okay, number 5 and 6. Parenting is duties of parents to their children. Duties of parents to their children. Di ba marami yung just skip? Parenting? Parenting. Huwag lang magkabaliktad. Kasi dito ito ng number 8. By duties. Two duties of parents to their children. Di ba marami yun? Hinihingi ko lang dalawa. Next, 7 and 8. Give two duties of children toward their parents. Duties of children toward their parents. Magkapalitan yung 1, 7 and 8. Pero may details. Number 9, this is true or false again. It is the children who have the right in the family. True or false? It is the children who have the right in the family. True or false? Ito sabihin ko true or false? False lang. First?